When we're looking here on CoinMarketCap, we see directly that Bitcoin is again above 100,000 US dollar. Also, when we go above the other cryptocurrencies, we also see like Ethereum is getting back to the 4,000 US dollar level. So we have seen it on yesterday. We're going to the Ethereum chart that we have going up to the resistance line about 4,100 US dollars, get a small rejection and now get a next push way to the 4,000 US dollar mark. And when we zoom a little bit out, we can also see on the daily chart that we have the last time also facing a big resistance level over here. So if we're breaking now this level here, we can definitely see the next price targets about 4,300 US dollars. In addition to, I would say like a 5,000 US dollar to the new all-time high, which gave us from our current position like 8% to the first level and also 22% to the all-time high. And if we break this all-time high, we can also see maybe like a small rejection and then the move back in higher levels also on the Ethereum chart. So when we're going like on the 1 hourly chart, we can see a little bit closer look for a next price entry. And that is also this green box here over in this area from 3,964 downways to 3,900 US dollars. So we're seeing now a moving candle to the downside. So if we see now a move like this, we can also see and catch this move here in this part of the green box. Price target of this would be definitely like the 4,000 US dollar mark, which gave us price target would be from, we can take the upper end of the level, like 3.6% to the upside to the $4,100 level, or to the 4,000 level would be around 1% to the upside to the first take profit. Not only Ethereum is performing very good from the altcoins, we see it like in the Bitcoin dominance that we are going like all the way down. We see it also on the other coins on the weekly base, on the crypto bubbles, that a lot of altcoins are moving very, very strong, especially like coins like meme coins like Pepe or Peanut, moving a very, very long way to the upside. And also on the daily chart, we can see that a lot of coins are also performing there well, but there also are some coins that gives us new opportunities to get in these positions, because when we see at the money flow, we can see that the first move, the money will flows into Bitcoin. Then next we see the money flowing into Ethereum. What we can currently see at the Ethereum prices, we are trading above like 4,000 US dollars again. After the money moving into Ethereum, it's getting to the large caps. A lot of other large caps are moving in the last few days already, like Polkadot, like Link, and also like XRP. But after the money will go from the large cap, it will go to the real altcoin season. The real altcoin season, like moving to small cap projects. So we can definitely position now ourselves. So we can position ourselves perfectly when the Bitcoin dominance will broken down. Also, when we go here on the daily chart, when the Bitcoin dominance will be dropping down, maybe to the like 50% level, or maybe also like lower. Also, we've seen it on the last bull run in 2021. There we saw the drop from the Bitcoin dominance from all the way up from like 63% all the way down to 33%, which is like minus 44%. If we replace this now on this position, we can also see that the Bitcoin dominance needs to be like also falling down to the 33% of level. I would say we definitely see not a hard crash like this, because a lot of institutional money is going into the Bitcoin. We also see it like here on the Bitcoin ETF inflow when we are making a refresh of this website. We can also see the Bitcoin ETF overview. So there we can see also like in the last few days, a lot of Bitcoins are moving into the ETF. So that means also for us that the Bitcoin dominance will be not dropping that much hard, but it's also like a price target also like in the yeah, 40% level, definitely, where we can see a lot of altcoins moving very, very strong. And if you want to know which altcoins I'm buying, I'm created a new MoneyMind community. There I will post a lot of stuff like what are my trade setups looking, also like news about crypto market, and also some buy alerts where I post exactly when I will buy some altcoins in different narratives. So you can definitely take part of this. Check this link out in the video description. The link to Patreon, to the MoneyMind membership is still going there. So, and then if you like this content, just leave a like, set a comment, and also I would say we see in the next update tomorrow.